Luke Fink is going to drive my car. So Luke is an Australian drifter, big YouTuber, all kind of stuff, and he is a veteran AE86 driver. So I'm really excited to have him drive my car and get his thoughts and everything on the car, the supercharger, as well as the Just Engineering angle kit.
No, I don't fit, okay? Where's the truck?
Right here.
That's the same as you saying you're good. Yeah. 816. Works. A bit of bump steer in it.
Yeah.
So I get used to where the power is with the NA, with the charger, I mean.
Yeah. You have to keep your foot high enough into it, otherwise it kicks off.
Yeah. And that bit where it's like that little bit of it doesn't really do it.
Yeah.
Where should I be looking for temps and stuff?
Water temp, oil temp is around the outside of the gauge. Where's it at? Is it in the yellow or is it green?
Still green.
Yeah, you're good.
What gear do you use?
Huh?
Are you using?
Third.
Yeah, mostly third.
Yeah, I'm scared of fourth.
Huh?
I'm scared of fourth. Watching you hit it was like, oh man.
I have you noticed I'm actually having to stick my arm out the window to steer? That's funny. I'm literally putting my arm out here to turn sometimes. I don't have enough room down beside me.
Yeah.
I can't quite turn into it like I want to. Try something else.
Alright.
There's definitely plenty of luck.
Yeah.
So something might be binding in the front.
Okay.
I feel like when you get it onto big lock.
Yeah. It's over centering a little bit?
Maybe over centering or something's like grabbing.
Yeah.
Because I feel like I can't get it back off lock unless I get back on throttle.
Yeah. I've never driven with this much lock. That's crazy watching you drive this thing, man.
Yeah. It's just feeling it out. I want to be able to time my shift, not like a spud. I'll be able to get it to get back on the power, then I can steer it, you know?
Yeah.
That's all it is. Because here I just snap and it's only off throttle for a sec and then I'm back hard on throttle, so it really doesn't have a chance to like fold over and load up.
Yeah. Good for another couple, I mean, until the tires are done pretty much.
Yeah. Sometimes like a dickhead so the oil actually goes down.
right. Oh, well, let's put your shoes on. What'd you think?
So just driving an 8.6, simple. It works. So, like I said, I feel like something is either over-centering or catching. Because if I can drive it and get back on the throttle soon enough, I can drive it through it. But as soon as I couldn't, I was just stuck there. It's like, that's all I can knock.
Yeah, I noticed it when I put it up in the air, like it's just barely starting to over center a little bit. I have the bump stops all the way out. I can pull the bump stops and get more. I have the rack relocated an inch forward.
I'd probably say, you know how the knuckle can go past the arm? Does it do that? Is it maybe on load it's doing that, or unloaded it's doing that? Maybe
it could be. And these have adjustable Ackerman.
Yeah.
And I just left them as 0 Ackerman.
Yeah. So I'd probably put Ackerman back in.
Yeah.
Other than that, dude, it feels sick.
Yeah.
And when I learned to just stay in third and let it rev.
Yeah.
Well, I was kind of thinking supercharger's doing its stuff down low, so keep it more medium.
You bring it all the way up. It's got a flat torque curve, but the power band is up at the top, just like NA. So. But
I expected superchargers things to be mid-range, so that's why I was changing to fourth, because I'm like, I know it probably has enough legs in third, but maybe not. I don't want to ring your cars next. That was sick.
It's good. Look, oil temps already come back down. They're already in the green. Look at that. Yeah, cool.
Sick. Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.